In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks Pressure Washer, model GPW1802. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Installing the spray gun holder. Line the gun holder up with the slots on the front of the pressure washer. Push the gun holder until it clicks into place. Installing the lower pedestal. Line up the pedestal with the 4 screw holes on the front of the pressure washer and push it into position. Insert a screw into each of the holes and tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Nozzles. On the spray gun, there are 3 holes lined with rubber grommets. Unpack the nozzles and insert the metal end of each nozzle into the holes. Installing the wand. Push the end of the wand into the opening at the end of the spray gun and rotate the wand clockwise to secure the tabs in position. For storage, the spray gun and wand can be separated and stored in the holder located on the front of the pressure washer. Please note, this model features a retractable handle for easy mobility. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks Pressure Washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.